What is up, techies? It's your boy Fluffy, back again. You know, for the longest time, the OPPO Reno series has been the pretty boy of the smartphone world. It's always been about style, portraits, and looking good in a coffee shop flat lay. But today, the pretty boy went to the gym and joined the Navy SEALs. I'm holding the all-new OPPO Reno 15. Yes, it still looks stunning with this light that comes alive design philosophy. But under this hood, we have a massive 6500 mAh battery, a flagship level 50MP telephoto camera, and wait for it, an IP69 rating. That means this phone can survive high pressure, high temperature water jets. It's rare that we see a phone that looks this good and acts this tough. Is this the ultimate all-rounder we've been waiting for? We're going to find out in this full deep dive. And stick around because we're giving out a rating at the end that you won't want to miss. Let's get to it. Let's crack this open. OPPO usually treats us well with the unboxing experience. First up, the phone itself. We have the Twilight Blue variant here. Next, the paperwork and the SIM ejector. We have a clear gel case included. Thank you, OPPO. It's decent, but let's be real. You're going to want to show off the back of this phone. We'll peel the plastic in a second. Digging deeper? Yes, it's still here. The 80W SuperVOOC flash charger and the heavy-duty USB Type-C cable. While other brands are giving you thin boxes and environmental excuses, OPPO is giving you power. I respect that. Now, let's look at the star of the show. Look at that texture. OPPO calls this light that comes alive, inspired by the Aurora. They etched millions of microscopic textures onto the glass. When you tilt it, the light shifts like a wave. It's not static, it feels liquid. The camera module has this dynamic stellar ring design. It catches the light and creates a little halo effect. It's seamless, sculpted from a single piece of glass. It feels incredibly premium and smooth to the touch. But here is the plot twist. This delicate-looking phone is built like a tank. It has an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, and the protection is overkill. IP66, IP68, and IP69. You can drop this in water, bury it in sand, or rinse it off in the sink. It even has splash touch technology. So if you're caught in the rain or your hands are wet from washing dishes, the screen still responds perfectly. There's even a dedicated underwater camera mode. Who needs a GoPro when you have a Reno? Flipping it over, we have a stunning AMOLED panel. It's a quad-curved display so it melts into the frame. It supports 120Hz refresh rate, obviously, but what stands out is the visual comfort. We're looking at 1.07 billion colors. Watching Netflix on this is a treat. The blacks are deep and the colors pop without being oversaturated. But beyond just watching, it's about interacting. The Splash Touch I mentioned earlier is a game changer for daily use in the Philippines. We've all had that moment where a single drop of rain makes our phone freak out. Not here. Audio-wise, we have stereo speakers that get plenty loud. But what's cool is how this phone integrates with your life. It has O+ Connect. If you're a Windows user or GASP, an Apple user, this phone breaks the walls. You can transfer photos and files between the Reno 15 and an iPhone or iPad seamlessly. No more send it to me on Telegram to save quality struggles. Okay, it's a Reno. We have to talk about the cameras. On the back, we have a 50MP main sensor and a 50MP telephoto portrait camera. Show photo samples. The telephoto is the sweet spot. It's roughly an 85mm equivalent, which is the golden standard for portraits. The compression is beautiful. It makes faces look natural, not distorted like a wide-angle lens. And speaking of natural, the new Reno portrait engine is doing heavy lifting. It fixes skin tones without making you look like a wax figure. The AI portrait glow is magic if you're backlit. It simulates a rim light or a studio light to save the shot. But the features are where it gets fun. Live photos are back and OPPO is innovating here. You can now use AI motion photo eraser to remove passersby from a moving photo. That is wild. And there's AI motion photo slow-mo. You can take a standard live photo and turn it into a cinematic slow motion clip using frame interpolation. For the selfie lovers, we have a 50MP ultra-wide selfie camera. It has a 100-degree field of view. You don't need a selfie stick anymore. You can fit the whole squad or the whole landscape in one shot. And with the ultra-clear group selfie algorithm, the person on the far edge of the photo doesn't look warped or blurry. And for the creative folks, check out the pop-out feature. You can long press a subject in a photo, lift them out, and create a collage or sticker instantly. It's super sticky for social media. Under the hood, we are running on the ColorOS 16 with the Trinity engine. It's smooth. OPPO guarantees 6-year fluency, meaning this phone won't start lagging in 2027. For gamers, the AI HyperBoost 2 keeps things locked at 120 frames per second for titles like Mobile Legends and PUBG. Plus, the customized X1 network chip reduces latency, so no more lag spikes when your Wi-Fi is acting up. But the biggest flex here is the battery, 6,500 milliamperes. In a phone this thin, that is wizardry. You are easily looking at a day and a half of heavy use. And with 80W SuperVOOC, you can top up while you get dressed in the morning. And we can't forget the AI. We have Google Gemini integrated right in. There's AI Mindspace. You can 3-finger swipe up to save content to a private dock. It's smart. If you look at a concert poster through the camera, it can extract the date and add it to your calendar automatically. And AI Call Summary, it records and summarizes phone calls for you. Perfect for those long meetings where you zone out. Alright, let's get real. Here is my take. I am giving the OPPO Reno 15 a solid gold rating. Here is why. This phone finally bridges the gap between fashion and function. Usually, when you buy a pretty phone, you sacrifice battery or durability. Not here. Daily use. The 6,500 mAh battery changes your life. You stop looking for outlets. The IP69 rating means I don't panic when I spill my coffee or get caught in the rain. And the camera system, especially that 50MP selfie and telephoto, makes content creation effortless. It's a creative powerhouse that is built to survive real life. The cross-platform compatibility with O+ Connect is just the cherry on top for people living in mixed Android, iOS households. So, what do you think? Is the Aurora design enough to pull you in, or is that massive battery the real seller? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in the Reno 15, I'll leave links below. If you like this review, smash that like button, subscribe to TechBeatPH, and ring that bell. This has been Fluffy. Stay creative, stay charged, and I'll see you in the next one.